Hey, how's it going, everybody? It is Wednesday, April the 8th in the year 2020. I am clearly showing off my reading glasses today. You guys won't appreciate this, I think, at this age, but as you get older, your eyes dim a little bit, and sometimes you need a little bit of help reading. So I am premiering these for you today. I don't think you guys have ever seen me with my readers on, but here you go, something new today. We are going to be using British English today for our hello and our goodbye. Remember last week I used Australian English, and we talked about the fact that even though all three of these countries actually speak English, we use the words in the English language a different way, and the slang that we use is different. So I'm going to show you what I mean. Because in Great Britain, in the United Kingdom, they do say hello and they do say goodbye, but more frequently they're less formal than that. And so when they say hello, if you look up here, they will use a term that is hiya. So it's almost like a combination of hi, how are you, or basically the same thing. They just abbreviated it and they use it commonly instead of the word hello. So you can use that today with somebody, hiya. And then this is the British flag, or the actual flag of the United Kingdom. And I want you guys to understand that the United Kingdom is actually a union of three different countries. It's England with the island of Wales, it is Scotland, and it is Northern Ireland. And all together they make up the United Kingdom. And this is the flag of the United Kingdom. It was originally called the Union flag, and then they referred to it as the Union Jack. So that's always what they refer to their flag as, the Union Jack. So a little bit of trivia there for you this morning. And speaking of mornings, it's a really pretty morning. The temperature has gotten progressively warmer throughout the week. The high today is 37, I think, low of 15, but it's already looking like it's going to be a really beautiful sunny day. So I definitely would suggest getting out and enjoying some fresh air and some sunshine at some point during the day. All right, and the observance for today. Today is Zoo Lovers Day. So get online and do one of these virtual field trips of one of these amazing zoos in our country or even in the world. A lot of them are offering free virtual tours right now with everybody doing schooling from home. So I definitely suggest looking up online a world famous zoo and doing a virtual tour and checking out the variety of animals that they have there, and just all the wonderful things that are out there. Okay, which also brings us to our word of the day. I went with the observance theme again, and so our word for the day is zoophilist. A zoophilist is basically just somebody who loves animals, a lover of animals, an animal lover, but this is a fancier way to say animal lover, a zoophilist. So I want you to think about if there's somebody in your life who you think is a zoophilist, and I want you to write me a word of the day sentence, and I want you to tell me who is a zoophilist in your family, and maybe even include what animal do you think they love the most, okay? So do that word of the day sentence today for me. And then we're going to get to our brain teaser for today. And on Wednesdays, we are doing what we call Ditloids. Okay, so if you look at the screen here, I'm going to remind you, Ditloids are word puzzles. And it's solved because you have a series of numbers and abbreviated letters, and that's your clue. And it could be a phrase, it could be a title, it could be a fact. All right, so if you look at last week's example right here, I still have it, 24 HNAD. And the answer to that was 24 hours in a day. H stood for hours, D stood for day. So today's Ditloid for you, which I'm not going to give you the answer to until later on in the day, today's Ditloid is 12 MNAY. So I want you to pop into the comment box and tell me if you can figure out the answer to that didloid. I think that you can. I think that you can. And then just kind of reminders, make sure that you're leaving your comments in there for dojo points if you want. If you want more dojo points, if you get time to get into your online programs, that would be great. I'll go check it tomorrow morning and give you guys some points if you've been able to get in there and do a little work. And then last but not least, we will say goodbye in our British English today. And a lot of times, instead of saying actual goodbye, as people leave or walk out of a place where they have had a gathering, they will tell everybody cheers. Cheers also, though, can mean thank you. So it kind of depends on how you're using it, what it means. So for today, I'm going to say cheers to you guys. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Cheers, everybody.